Hey there, handy helpers. Welcome to Andy's Workshop, where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. I'm on my way to Lily's farm with my trusty toolbox to fix a few things. Maybe I'll get to use my brand new screwdriver. I just got it today. Hey, who are you, little guy? Are you a bird? Whoa, I think it's a ghost. But don't worry, he looks like a friendly ghost. Isn't that right, buddy? Hey, do you know what sound a screwdriver makes? It goes turn, turn, turn. Oh, so you want to hold the screwdriver. That's okay, but I'm gonna need that back. Got a lot of turning to do around the farm today. Hey, don't run away. Come back here, ghost! Lily, there you are. Did you see him?
Hi, Andy. See who?
The ghost. Oh, don't worry. It's a friendly ghost. About this big, 2 big eyes. He flies. Oh yeah, Andy has my screwdriver.
A ghost? No, I didn't see any ghosts. I've been too busy cleaning up my farm. This place is a mess. My goodness, there's cobwebs everywhere. The fence is loose. How did it get like this? It looks like a haunted farm.
Look, there he is. And he still has my screwdriver. Hey, are you the one making Lily's farm so messy?
So it was you. I'll handle this one, Andy. Mr. Ghost, I know you're very nice and very cuddly, but Andy came here to help me fix some things today. To fix our fence, we'll need our ruler and our screwdriver. So could you pretty please give Andy back his screwdriver? Please? Oh, my ruler! That silly ghost took my ruler!
Okay, handy helpers, we're going to need your help. If you're ready to catch that silly ghost with us and clean up this farm, press that thumbs up button. Lily, time to gear up and fix it up. Ready! Come on, let's go find that ghost.
Hey, do you see him anywhere?
No, it looks empty. All I see is this scarecrow. Hey, handy helpers, do you know what a scarecrow does?
All farms have scarecrows. It stands tall to keep the birds away from all the food on the farm. So, if you're growing apples on the farm, the scarecrow will stop the birds from eating it. It's like a guard dog, but for the farm. Isn't that neat?
Look, there's that ghost again. And he has our ruler and screwdriver.
Oh no, he knocked over our scarecrow. We need to fix it so that it can guard the field.
Don't worry, I have just the tools to fix that. Let's use my wrench to twist, twist, twist the pole tight. Twist, twist, twist. And my hammer to tap it into place. A tap, tap, tap here, and a tap, tap, tap there.
Great job! The scarecrow's standing tall again. Hey, handy helpers, can you stand tall like a scarecrow?
There's that ghost again. He sure loves playing tricks. Come on, Lily, let's go find him.
Andy fixes up the farm, Andy fixes up the farm. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun, he fixes up the farm. Tools will save the day, tools will save the day. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun, tools will save the day. The ghost plays a trick, The ghost plays a trick. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. The ghost plays a trick. It zooms around the farm. It zooms around the farm. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. It zooms around the farm. We fix it with our saw. We fix it with our saw. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. We fix it with our saw. The saw cuts the wood. The saw cuts the wood. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. The saw cuts the wood. We fix it with a wrench. We fix it with a wrench. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. We fix it with a wrench. The wrench turns it tight. The wrench turns it tight. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. The wrench turns it tight. The ghost plays a trick. The ghost plays a trick. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. The ghost plays a trick. It zooms around the farm. It zooms around the farm. Hi-ho, it's spooky fun. It zooms around the farm.
Oh no, look at the barnyard. It's a mess. That silly ghost covered it in cobwebs. Hey, handy helpers, do you know what a barnyard's for? Yep, it's where the animals sleep and eat.
Well, we can't let the animals sleep in all these silly cobwebs. How about we use our brushes to sweep them away? Handy helpers, can you sweep with us? Let's go! Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Great job sweeping, everyone. The barnyard's clean again. The animals will be so happy.
There's our mischievous ghost. Hey, do you think he's playing with us because he's bored?
Oh yeah, maybe he wants a friend to play with. Mr. Ghost, would you like a friend to play with?
Aw, so he does want a ghost buddy. I have the perfect idea. Let's use my pencil to draw a ghost just like him. Draw, draw, draw.
And now we need to paint the ghost. Paint, paint, paint. All finished. Say hello to your new ghost friend.
It worked! The ghosts are getting along. Oh, just one more thing. Mr. Ghost? Hi. Do you think we could have our tools back, please? We did it! We got our tools back! And we cleaned up the farm, and we made a new friend. Handy helpers, let's wave bye-bye to our new ghost friends. Bye-bye!
Bye. Wow, Andy, what a spooky adventure today.
You bet, Lily. We used our tools to twist, tap, sweep, and draw. Oh, and we gave our ghost a new friend. Great job, handy helpers. Let's give a big spooky high five. Ooh. And remember, at Andy's Workshop, we fix it, build it, and learn it together. See you next time.